Here is the Salem Witch Hunt Daily Report for April 22nd, 2024. April 22nd in 1692 was a very busy day in Salem. For one thing, witches from all over the region supposedly assembled in Salem Village. Three New England ministers, including Maine's George Burroughs and New Hampshire's John Busse, joined the assembly. Burroughs blew a trumpet to call two companies of witches together, and then reminded the witches that their goal was to overthrow the New England churches and establish Satan's kingdom on earth. For the day's court session, the Salem Village meeting house was so crowded that people stuck outside blocked all the light from coming in through the windows. Magistrates John Hathorne and Jonathan Corwin interrogated Deliverance Hobbs, Nehemiah Abbott Jr., William Hobbs, Sarah Wilds, Mary Esty, Sarah Bishop, Edward Bishop, Mary English, and Mary Black. Nehemiah Abbott was taken outside to see if the accusers recognized him. They didn't, and he was released. Benjamin Hutchinson made a statement against George Burroughs. Margaret Reddington and Samuel Smith were deposed against Mary Esty, and Nathaniel Ingersoll, Thomas Putnam, Ann Putnam Jr., and Mary Walcott were deposed against Sarah Wilds. This has been today's Salem Witch Hunt Daily Report. Have a great today and a beautiful tomorrow.